Hi there. Right now I am holding an open house at 123 East Locust Avenue in Orange. It is a 5-bedroom, 3-bath, gorgeous home, single story, single level, and new paint, new floors, beautifully upgraded. I'm going to turn you around and show you inside. Here is the front yard. Very cute, low maintenance. Nice little touch on the arch as you come in. Beautiful flooring. Nice living room, wood burning fireplace. You come in, go down this hall. You have got a bedroom here, looks out to the front. Nice storage, another bedroom right over here. Beautiful bathroom. Come down here, you got another bedroom, so 3 bedrooms right next to each other, which is perfect for those kiddos. Back through the living room, you got a nice master bedroom over here. Very lovely. And your master bath. Nicely upgraded. And going in from the living room, adorable backyard, some fruit trees, and nicely upgraded kitchen. Lovely home in Orange, asking $825. Also got another bedroom off the side here. Laundry room, and another bathroom. Nice. Very, very nice. If you have any questions or would like to view it, please reach out to me and I would love to help you. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.